With the FILNET ultrasonic range, you will achieve an effective cleaning of kitchen filters in just a few minutes. Ultrasonic cleaning is carried out by means of a cavitation process. The ultrasonic waves cause the growth and subsequent implosion of bubbles that are transmitted through the mixture of water and chemicals. The bubbles effectively remove dirt, grease, oils and contaminants from hard-to-reach areas. For optimal cleaning, the tank must be filled with water. Select the desired temperature between 60 and 85 degrees Celsius and allow the water to heat up. The SonaClean detergent is then added at a ratio of 3 to 5% to the water. For the most demanding cleanings, the SonaPower Booster can be used with a dissolution of up to 2% of the water in the tank. The filters or kitchen utensils should then be introduced and remain in the tank for about 10 minutes. At the end of this time, the filters or kitchen utensils should be rinsed for perfect cleaning. Ultrasonic cleaning has great advantages. In addition to reaching areas inaccessible with other methods, ultrasonic waves do not damage the parts or alter their properties. It is a fast and efficient process, which increases productivity